We're here taking a look at Capital Range and the changes that came along with their new products in 2026. Sergio Calisi originally brought this unit to market. He was the inventor of DCS barbecues. He sold that company, came back to market with Capital Range. Take a look at these heavy-duty knobs that are completely engraved. This is new for 2026. We've got a new door handle. They've always been known for their internal rotisserie. And notice these glide-out racks. You can basically fold these up. They come out of ball bearings. Take them out of the oven, clean them. Capital has always been known for their high-quality cast iron grates. Keep in mind, if you want a barbecue section or a griddle, you need to order the unit with these in place. They're not interchangeable. There's a lot of confusion on the internet with these older model pictures circulating. Notice the knob, the handle, and the logo, the older design. The new Capital Range has this redesigned look. Functionally, these two ovens are exactly the same, but if you visit KitchenFoundry, you'll find that we've discounted the older models. Now we're taking a look at their new refrigeration. Notice glide-out self-closing shelves. Also, you've got this brilliant light in the sidewalls. That's really the only way to light all the contents of the refrigerator. And we have interior digital temperature control. Also, Capital's offering an array of custom colors for your Capital Range. Here's the best value in the current catalog. We have the all-gas models. That's going to be the 30-inch and the 36 all-burner. These are the ones we most commonly sell. You're going to get 19,000 BTU burners on this, 140-degree simmer. However, you do not get the glide-out shelves, but the upside is on the 30-inch model, you can fit a full sheet pan because the sidewalls of this oven are a little bit thinner since they didn't add the glide-out shelves. Here we have their all-gas models with open burners. You'll notice that the BTU output has jumped up to 25,000 BTUs for the open burner units. Now we've moved on to the dual fuel models. These are sealed burners. They call this Grand Chef. This does now come with infrabroil, 18,000 BTUs behind glass. That really speeds up your preheat time. You got three distinct options here. All three of these come with glide-out racks. Because the walls of the oven are a little thicker, the 30-inch can no longer hold that full sheet pan, but you still have a lot of capacity. On the GSCR 304 end, it's a 30-inch unit, glide-out racks, 4 burners, 19,000 BTUs. Here we have the GSCR 305 end. On this model, they've added a 5th burner on a 30-inch unit. So you're going to get 4 19,000 BTU burners and 1 25,000 BTU burner. Now we have the GSCR 366 36-inch unit, 6 burners. All 6 are 25,000 BTU burners. All of these models are capable of simmer. Now we've moved on to the dual fuel models. These are open burner, also called Connoisseurian. These are also going to have this electronic control. So on the top, we're looking at this infrabroil electric element, 3,500 watts of searing power. This Capital's state-of-the-art IntelliCook system is going to give you a myriad of different functions inside these ovens. The COB 304N is their 30-inch model. Glide-out racks, 4 25,000 BTU burners. And on our 6-burner, we've got the COB 366, 36-inch 6-burner, glide-out racks, 6 burners with 25,000 BTU. Reach out to KitchenFoundry.com for our closeout models and discount pricing, as well as the new 2026 lineup. We are your Capital headquarters.